Hey everyone, it's Jonna, the Preppy Crafty Girl, and I am here for a little show and tell of some happy mail I just received from the lovely Teri, who is Mick Mouse on YouTube. And we were at a online auction with Angela the Traveling Crafter and Carol the Crinkle Path, and this book came up for auction and Teri won it, and so I ended up getting the consolation prize of my McDreamy McSteamy book. Just kidding. Dr. Kildare. And so anyway, she was the winner of my Mission Impossible Maker project that I did, the folio, and I had sent that off to her, and then in return she sent me this lovely, just I wanted to just cry, and I just wanted to just say thank you, Teri. It really meant a lot and just kind of brightened my day. It was just the sweetest gesture. I'm so appreciative. I see that I haven't opened everything. I read your card, and then I just kind of took everything out of the box. So the card was beautiful, handmade card. This feels like it's washi tape. Did you make this with washi tape, or is that paper? I can't. Oh, maybe it is paper. I can't tell. But anyway, it's just lovely, and your sentiments were just beautiful. And I do save every card that people send me, so it means a lot. And I'm sorry for the shadows. I'm doing this at night, and I have a lot of shadows, and I don't have my computer back here, so I can't turn my overhead light on too much. Anyway, yeah, so she had sent me this book, and because I had told Carol, or in the chat, I said that I would love to have this book because I've been collecting the Annette Funicello books, the Walt Disney Annette Funicello books, for my camper. So I've got a shelf that I have them all sitting on inside my camper. It's an old telephone. You used to put the telephone on the top, and then you slide in the telephone books. And so I've got one of those, and I have these sitting in there, and they look really cute. So thank you so much, Teri, for giving this up. It really means a lot. Then I see you sent me some 4th of July things. This is great for my patriotic journal. And oh my gosh, look how cute these little girls are with their little, with their little bonnets. How cute is this? That is adorable. This is going to be so cute for Little House on the Prairie. I love this. This is really, really cute. Ooh, what's this? This is pretty with the wheat and the star and the, what? It's got a wagon on it. No way. Little House on the Prairie official fabric tags. These are like tags and labels and stuff. Oh my goodness. Where have I been? I missed this whole release. What year was this? Andover, Little House on the Prairie. Friendly Family Productions, 2015. Where was I? Why did not I see this coming out? I was crafting in 2015. I don't know. Anyway, thank you so much. Oh, it's really sweet. I can't wait to use this with the other fabric that my friend Kelly gave me in my Happy Mail. So thank you so much. Ooh, what's in here? Let's open this up. A little ASMR. Crinkly bits. Got I love barbecue and a watermelon. And really neat. Red, white, and blue. We the People. Oh, these are cool stickers. I don't have anything like this. Little cut apart, some stickers, some tabs. Those are fun. Oh, little page thingy-mojiggies. What do you call those little, what are those called? You know what they're called. Tag. Happy 4th of July. Oh, these are great. This is going to be perfect. Cool. Oh, this is so cute. Look at the back. The back is just as cute as the fronts. Oh my goodness. I love this paper line. look at these little cards. America, land that I love. It's like a postcard. Oh, it's like a, what is that? Oh, it's a sticker. Wow, that's cool. Journaling card. In the Navy. Welcome home, USA. These are awesome. These are awesome. Oh my goodness. Thank you so much. That is just, that's amazing. I don't have anything like this. I have some paper, big papers, but I don't have the cut aparts and stuff. Oh, look at them. They're probably waiting on the fireworks and the 4th of July parade. That is super cute. Waiting on the 4th of July parade. Aww. Oh, sweet puppy. The flag. Very cute. That is adorable. Angel card series. Thank you so much. Look at this really cute firecracker stamp. I love it. I love everything. Oh my goodness. That was just, it made my day today to go to the mailbox. So I appreciate you sending it and the heart behind it. And just, yeah, it was just a real blessing. So thank you, Teri. And I will see you around the chats. Bye, girl.